Let's talk about try with resources. This is one of the most commonly asked Java interview questions, and it's important to get it right. It falls under exception handling, and understanding this deeply will set you apart. Let's get into it. Try with resources. Java 7 automatically closes resources declared in the try statement, even if an exception is thrown. The resource must implement auto-closable or closable. This replaces the error-prone pattern of closing resources in finally blocks, where you had to handle close, exceptions and null checks. Now, why does this matter in interviews? Resource leaks, unclosed connections, file handles are a major source of production issues. Try with resources eliminates this entire class of bugs. It's a must-know for clean Java code. Let me go deeper. Resources are closed in reverse declaration order. If both the try block and close throw exceptions, the close exception is added as a suppressed exception, accessible via getSuppressed. Multiple resources can be declared in a single try statement. Java 9 allows using effectively final variables declared outside the try statement. Let's look at the code for try with resources. I'll walk you through each section. First, notice that old way, verbose and error-prone. Then, new way, try with resources, Java 7+. Then, reader automatically closed here. Then, multiple resources. And finally, process rows. Take a moment to study this code. The patterns here will come up in your interviews. Now, let's talk about the gotchas, the traps that catch people in interviews. First, a warning, suppressed exceptions. If try throws exception A and close throws exception B, A is the primary exception and B is suppressed. Check E.getSuppressed. Here's a dangerous trap. Don't close manually and use try with resources. Closing a resource twice can cause issues. Let try with resources handle closing. Don't add a manual close in the try block. And a pro tip, Java 9 improvement. Java 9 allows buffered reader R is equal to try R. The variable just needs to be effectively final, no need to declare inside try. Keep these edge cases in mind. Interviewers specifically test for these. So here's the key takeaway. Always use try with resources for anything that implements auto-closable. It's cleaner, safer, and handles edge cases, suppressed exceptions, correctly. And for your interview strategy, show the old finally based pattern and the new try with resources. Point out how many things can go wrong in the old way. Mention suppressed exceptions. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more Java interview prep. Let's nail that next interview.